All right, welcome back. If you were able to get that second option into your sort of console ship game, good for you. That's awesome. For now, we're going to go back through it. We're going to add in a second one so you can kind of get a better feel. This is very important stuff. This is fundamental, foundational Erlang right here. It's message passaging, and it is passing, and it is the pattern matching. And these are very important things for Erlang. So we'll actually come right here. I already added in, hey, option number 2 will be fire 2 missiles. We have fire missile, fire 2 missiles. Makes sense. All we have to do is come down here, go number 2. And once we do that, we want to send a message just like we did before. This time, we're going to send it with the atom of double. We are going to want to return, or sorry, we're going to send the atom of double. We're going to say, hey, 2, and we're going to send it to the self. Now, once what we want to receive will actually be, we'll call it, what do we want to call it? We'll call it, we'll just call it ammo 2. Keep it simple. Keep it really, really simple. Ammo 2. Oh, I must have actually tried to take a screenshot. Ammo 2. And we want new amount count, just like we did before. So from here, we can actually just copy this because it's going to be the same thing. And all we have to do now is hit end, and then we'll call the loop again with our process identifier, and we can end the statement. Easy peasy. These are statement enders. That's how it's the end of the what you want for that specific section. So for like number 1, we start here, we end right there. If you're doing like a function, then you would just use a period, just end it, like you see right here. But in these cases, you want it to be the end of that statement. That's the end of this one, and then right here is the end of this one, and that'd be that. Down here, you don't need it because it ends right there, so you don't need to say it's the end of statement. It knows. So now we have another option. We have option 2, which will have double as the atom. It's going to have a number of 2, and it's going to send it to the self, just like we had up here. We are going to want to receive ammo 2, and we want it to have new ammo count, just like we did up here. So we're going to shoot 2 missiles, and we want the option to show how many missiles we currently have. Makes sense. The only thing we didn't do is we didn't add it down here, which is something we're going to have to do. So we're going to have to come down here, and we're going to say, hey, we are going to receive a double. It's going to have an amount, and it's going to be from ourselves. We already know that. We're already sending the message, and we're listening for it. So we're still receiving in this big block here. But if we don't get a message for single, well, we might get a message for double. So no problem. So we'll do the same thing again. We'll go, hey, new amount count equals, and we'll do max. We'll do current ammo minus the amount once again. And we'll make sure that 0 is the number that, like, that's it. That's as low as it can go. It can't go below 0. You can't have negative ammo. So we're going to send back a message now. And we want this one to be ammo 2. We see it pop up right there. So we'll do ammo 2. And we want to send back, just like before, the new amount count. And as long as we, from there, call ship once again, and inside of ship, we put the new amount count, we should be good to go. So we can come over here now. We can hit quit. So we hit, and the last game was just too good. So we hit right here. We'll do ammo, semicolon, start once again. That'll start the entire program for us. Now we have fire. So let's fire a missile. Well, it's 9. And if we fire 2 missiles, then we're at 5. And there we go. So as you can see, now we've added in another option. So then we have option 1, fire 1 missile. Option 2, fire 2 missiles. And from there, we can actually reload. And that's what we'll do. On the next option, we'll do option 3, which will be to reload the ammo, to give back, right? And so that'll be something that we will do on the next video. So thank you so much. I hope you were able to learn and pick up some awesome information, learning about state with Erlang. That is how we manage it. It's through processes. And these process identifiers, I mean, it seems confusing at first, but once you get it and you kind of wrap your head around it, you're just passing a message. Hey, I'm going to shoot 1 shot. Does that sound good? Yep, sure does. We got you. We're going to make sure we change the ammo count for you, and we're going to send it back to you. And we, up here, we receive it. We receive, hey, got it. Thanks. It's just passing a message back and forth, but it's not like a game of telephone where you're kids where everything gets jumbled. It works, it's clean, and it's super efficient. So if you learned something, leave a like, subscribe.